Dive into the fascinating realm of the cosmos as we explore the question, what existed before the Big Bang? Imagine, if you will, a vast, infinite expanse of nothingness. Then suddenly, an explosion of unimaginable scale, a Big Bang, giving birth to the universe as we know it. Time, space, matter, all sprung into existence from this singular event. But what was there before this cosmic dawn? Was there an infinite void, an alternate universe, or something we can't even begin to comprehend? This question, what existed before the Big Bang, has puzzled scientists, philosophers, and curious minds alike for generations. It's a question that challenges our understanding of time and existence and leads us down paths of theoretical physics and cosmology that are as intriguing as they are complex. So buckle up, fellow explorers of the unknown, as we delve into this cosmic mystery. As we journey through theories and speculations, remember, we're traveling beyond the boundaries of human knowledge, into speculative realms where even the most brilliant minds tread lightly. Get ready to stretch your imagination as we venture into the unknown. To grasp what could have been before, first understand the Big Bang itself. Picture this: around 13.8 billion years ago, our universe was in a hot, dense state, almost incomprehensibly tiny, a singularity. Then, in less time than it takes to blink, it began to expand rapidly. This event, this explosion of growth and energy, is what we call the Big Bang. The Big Bang wasn't an explosion in the usual sense, though. It wasn't matter exploding into an existing space. No, the Big Bang was the simultaneous creation of matter, energy, space, and even time itself. In essence, all the components that make up our universe. This theory, the Big Bang theory, is the widely accepted explanation for the origin of the universe. It's backed by a wealth of evidence, like the redshift of distant galaxies and the cosmic microwave background radiation. The redshift shows us that the universe is still expanding today, with galaxies moving away from each other. The cosmic microwave background radiation, on the other hand, is like the universe's baby picture, a snapshot of the cosmos shortly after the Big Bang. However, as complete as the Big Bang theory may seem, it still leaves us with a puzzling question. You see, everything we know, everything we can observe and measure, started with the Big Bang. But what about before that? What was there before all the matter, energy, space, and time? So if the Big Bang marked the birth of our universe, what existed before that? The idea of before the Big Bang can be puzzling. What does it mean to say before when time as we know it started with the Big Bang itself? It's like asking what's north of the North Pole. The concept of before might not apply in the same context we understand it. Our conventional understanding of time is linear, with a clear sequence of events that occur one after another. But this understanding stems from the Big Bang, the point where time and space as we know it began. So when we ask what happened before the Big Bang, we're trying to apply our linear concept of time to a period that may not follow the same rules. Some theories suggest that our universe is just one of many in a multiverse, each with its own Big Bang. Others propose a cyclical universe where Big Bangs happen over and over again, each giving birth to a new universe. In both these scenarios, the notion of before takes on a whole different meaning. Imagine if our universe is one of countless others in a multiverse. The Big Bang would then be the beginning of our universe, but not necessarily the beginning of everything. Other universes could have had their Big Bangs at different times, making the concept of before relative to each universe. Or consider a cyclical universe. If our universe is just the latest in a series of universes, each born from a Big Bang, then before our Big Bang would be the end of the previous universe. But since time as we understand it begins with each Big Bang, the concept of before becomes cyclical rather than linear. These are just theories, and they're far from proven. But they offer fascinating possibilities for what before the Big Bang could mean. They challenge our understanding of time and force us to think outside our usual frames of reference. The notion of before the Big Bang challenges our understanding of time and space. It invites us to open our minds to new ideas and possibilities, and it reminds us that our understanding of the universe is still evolving, with much more left to discover. Theories and speculations about what existed before the Big Bang abound in the scientific community. Let's dive into a few of them, bearing in mind that these are currently speculative and not confirmed. Firstly, there's the cyclic model. This theory suggests that the universe didn't just spring into existence with the Big Bang. Instead, it postulates that the universe endlessly cycles through periods of expansion and contraction. This means before the Big Bang, there could have been another universe similar to ours that had contracted into a tiny point, only to explode and expand once again. The second theory we'll delve into is the multiverse theory. This idea introduces a concept that's a bit of a brain twister. It proposes that our universe, born from the Big Bang, is just one of many potentially infinite universes. In this grand cosmic landscape, each universe could have its own laws of physics, its own matter, and its own Big Bang. Lastly, let's touch on quantum gravity models. These theories attempt to reconcile the realms of quantum mechanics, which deals with the very small, and general relativity, which deals with the very large. In some of these models, the concept of time, as we know it, ceases to exist at the point of the Big Bang. Therefore, asking what came before the Big Bang becomes a nonsensical question, like asking what's north of the North Pole. These theories, while intriguing, are yet to be proven, leaving the question still open for exploration. The quest to understand what came before the Big Bang continues. In the grand tapestry of the cosmos, each thread we pull unravels another mystery, leading us deeper into the fabric of our universe. Today, scientists are harnessing the power of advanced technology and innovative scientific methods to explore the question that's been on everyone's mind since the dawn of time. What existed before the Big Bang? Consider this. We're standing at the precipice of a new age in scientific discovery. We're probing the universe with increasingly sophisticated tools, like high-powered telescopes that peer into the distant corners of the cosmos, and quantum computers that can simulate complex cosmic phenomena. With these tools, we're beginning to perceive the universe in ways our ancestors could only dream of. But this is not a journey of lonely explorers. No, it's a collaborative effort. Scientists from different disciplines are coming together, pooling their knowledge and expertise to push the boundaries of what we know about our universe. They're exploring theories that challenge our understanding of time and space, like the concept of a multiverse or the idea that our universe is just one of many. Yet despite our best efforts and most advanced technologies, the question remains: what came before the Big Bang? It's a question that challenges our understanding of the universe and our place within it. It's a question that invites us to explore, to learn, and to grow. It's a question that, despite its complexity, we continue to pursue with relentless curiosity. The truth is, there are no definitive answers yet, but that's what makes this quest so exciting. Each theory, each discovery, each unanswered question is another step on this incredible journey of exploration. As we venture deeper into the unknown, we're not just discovering more about our universe, we're discovering more about ourselves. While we may not have definitive answers yet, the journey to uncover them is just as exciting. So, what existed before the Big Bang? The answer remains one of the greatest mysteries of our universe. As we've journeyed through the cosmos in this video, we've explored the understanding of the Big Bang, pondered the concept of before it, and entertained various theories and speculations. We've discovered that before might not even exist in the way we understand it. We've delved into the idea of a cyclic universe, and even the mind-bending concept of a universe that gives birth to itself. Yet, despite all these fascinating theories, the question remains: what existed before the Big Bang? It's an open area of research, a puzzle that scientists around the globe are trying to piece together. As we continue to question, to theorize, we inch closer to understanding the origins of our universe, possibly unraveling secrets that could change our perception of reality. Thank you for joining this cosmic journey. Please subscribe for more videos as we continue to explore the mysteries of the universe together.